Good morning, Bobcats. My name is Louisa.
And I'm Corbin. Welcome to the last week of school before winter break.
Let's open this episode with a guessing game. We will share a holiday tradition, and then you will guess the country where it is celebrated.
We will give you a hint and then reveal the answer. Here we go.
In what country do families celebrate Las Posadas? For 9 nights before Christmas. They reenact Mary and Joseph's journey and then celebrate with music, candles, and a piñata. If you guessed Mexico, you are correct. What's next?
Ready, everyone? In this country, families celebrate St. Lucia Day on December 13th. Traditionally, the oldest daughter in the family wears a white dress and a crown of candles to bring light to the dark winter days. Did you figure it out? It's Sweden.
Let's do one more country. In this country, people celebrate Diwali, the festival of lights. They decorate their homes with glowing lamps and colorful rangoli designs. It's all about hope and the victory of light over darkness. If you guessed India, you are correct. Next up is Grace and Courtesy.
Today's Grace and Courtesy message is all about unity, staying connected as a community, and looking out for one another.
Unity means remembering that we're not just individual students. We're a part of a whole school. When we pay attention to other people's needs, we help our community stay strong.
That could look like holding the door for someone, walking quietly in the hallways while others are working, offering to help a classmate who's struggling, or giving someone space when they need it.
It also means speaking kindly, listening carefully, and making choices that show respect for everyone, our friends, our teachers, and our school.
When each of us does our part, even in small ways, we help create a place where everyone feels safe, valued, and included.
That was fun. Let's move on to the Student Spotlight. The District Honor Band auditions were held over the weekend, and we want to congratulate 3 students who were awarded a position in the District Honor Band.
Congratulations, Kobe, Patrick, and Amelia. They are pictured here with their instruments. Kobe with the baritone saxophone, Patrick with the tuba, and Amelia with the contra clarinet.
Our second Student Spotlight is the winner of the School Spelling Bee. The top 2 winners were both from room 22 through 24. Congratulations, Alice Calloway and Lucas Solano. Alice will represent our school in the district spelling bee in January.
After 10 rounds, Alice won by properly spelling the word immigrants. In case you are wondering, the proper spelling of immigrants is IMMIGRANTS, Bobcats. If you see Kobe, Patrick, Amelia, Alice, or Lucas, please give them a high five and congratulations. They practiced a lot with the instruments and spelling words.
Let's share trips around the sun and honor the students who have a birthday this week and the weeks over winter break. In Erdkinder, we have Ace and Addison. In Upper L, we have Hezekiah, Anastasia, Princeton, Lily, Evie, and Lucas. In Lower L, we have Campbell, Knox, Courtney, Sage, Ender, Bryson, Olivia, Brooklyn, and Dylan. And in Primary, we have Tennessee, Charlie, Declan, Milan, Verity, and Rosemary.
Happy birthday, Bobcats. We hope you enjoy your recent trip around the sun and have nice memories with family, friends, and cake.
And now, please join your classmates in singing our school song.
Don't go away. We have more for you after this.
Welcome back. My name is Killian.
And I'm Patrick. We are here to bring you the latest on sports, school announcements, and host a student book chat.
Let's start with the sports update. Our girls and boys basketball teams opens their season this week.
Bobcats. Our team needs our support. Let's show up for the Bobcat basketball teams when they play against Tybee and Pulaski on Monday and Thursday.
Monday's game will be held at Coastal Middle School, and Thursday's game will be is at Pulaski. The girls play at 5:30 and the boys play at 6:30.
Let's
go, Bobcats!
The band and chorus winter concert is Wednesday evening at 5:30 in the backyard.
Bring your chairs, blankets, and holiday spirit to enjoy the talented musicians and singers from Upper L and Erdkinder.
And on Friday at 1:30, the entire school gathers in the backyard for the annual sing-along.
The school sing-along has been a tradition since 1928 when our school became a school.
It's a long time ago. I'm pretty sure my grandparents weren't even born yet.
Let's move on to our book chat. We have 2 students from the Fox and Bears joining us today.
Please welcome Zoey and Noel to the show.
Thank you for having us here. We are really excited to be here.
Let's start with you, Zoe. What is the title of your book you are showing today?
My book is called Emily Winsnap and the Castle in the Mist.
How do you rate this book?
I like it so much that I rate it 5 stars.
What was your favorite part?
My favorite part was when Emily Winsnap jumped into the water and became a mermaid.
Thank you, Zoe. I bet other students will be interested in reading Emily Winsnap and the Castle in the Mist because of your review.
Your turn, Noel. What is the title of the book you are sharing today?
Diary of a Wimpy Kid.
How did you rate the book?
I liked it so much that I gave it 5 stars.
What was your favorite part?
When Greg says he ate the cheese but he didn't.
Thank you, Noel. Diary of a Wimpy Kid books are a favorite among so many people.
Thank you for joining the Bobcat Roar, Noel and Zoe.
If you would like to join us in a future book chat, get a script from the library, fill it out, then place it in the Bobcat Roar mailbox near the library door.
Miss Angie will let you know when you can become the next book chat guest.
Before we close the episode, let's share this joke that we found in the Bobcat Roar mailbox. This is from Liam in room 22 and 24. Knock, knock.
Who's there?
Cash.
Cash who?
No thanks, I like hazelnut.
Bobcats, if you have a joke to share, add it to our mailbox near the library door. We will share your joke in a future episode.
This concludes episode 14. Thank you for watching, and before you go, please like this episode and subscribe to our school YouTube channel.
Peace out, Bobcats.